coming to you from the classroom of the Herbal Academy of New England in Massachusetts, and introducing myself as Henry David Mitchison. I'm a physician and surgeon, and I have a special interest in herbalism. And I want to give you an introduction into two concepts. The first is the interconnectedness of all the systems in the body. The second is homeostasis. It is conventional to talk about each system as if it was entirely on its own merits. For example, the cardiovascular system, talking about the heart and the circulation. The respiratory system, which is the breathing in, breathing out, getting in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. The alimentary system, which is digestion and elimination. The urinary system, reproductive system, central nervous system with the brain, autonomic nervous system. But in reality, these things are all working together and all working at the same time in a perfect dance, in perfect rhythm to each other. It's just easier to understand them when we do one system at a time, and we'll be talking about those more in further lectures. So, homeostasis. That's the body attempting to keep itself in perfect balance. Now, of course, at all times, things are going up, things are going down. You're eating food, it's getting absorbed, you're getting more glucose in the system, your pancreas is making more insulin to get that sugar brought down to a normal level. It's putting that sugar away in a different form of glycogen into the liver. There's 101 other things going on at the same time, all attempting to bring the body back into balance. Homeostasis. And in Western medicine, we talk about the body, the anatomy, that's where things are, what they're made of. Physiology, which is how they work, and then pathology, which is where things go wrong. And we'll be touching on anatomy and physiology, not to make you be doctors. It takes 2 years to take a medical student through all of these things. Not to make you be able to make medical diagnoses or medical treatment, but so that you just have a better understanding in a simplistic way where things are and how they work. So we'll be touching on this mannequin, on the circulatory system, the head, of course, with the brain inside it, the lungs that are in the chest or thorax, the abdomen, which is separated from the chest or thorax by the diaphragm, the big muscular bellows that make you breathe. We'll be going into skin, muscle and bone. This, of course, the left leg, the right leg, left arm, right arm, and we'll go into all of those things in turn. But for this introduction, all I want you to remember is two things. Homeostasis, the body's trying to get itself back to balance in a beautiful dance of all the systems working in an interconnected way. And in Western medicine, we talk about the body. In other systems and in other traditions and in herbalism, we're not only going to be talking about the body, we're going to be talking about the mind and the soul. Thank you.